DIY embroidered coaster by plastic canvas and cotton cord. We're including 2 plastic canvas, cotton cord and 1 needle. The needle looks like the plastic canvas has 2 sides. The smooth side is the right side. The uneven side is the back side. The cotton cord has been untwisted, easy for you to embroider. From a corner of the canvas, count 2 squares, then thread the needle through that hole. Leave a sufficient length near the end. Continue threading the needle through the next hole in a spiral direction. Use just enough force to make the cord tightly hug the border. Continue embroidering for the next holes. At the corners of the canvas, threading to times 1, 2. Repeat the same steps. Complete the border of the coaster. Thread the needle into the second hole along the next side to create a diagonal line. Cross over the opposite second hole. Continue shifting to the third hole to embroider. Repeat the same previous step. Make sure the cord is flat, tight and beautiful. The longer the diagonal line, the more gentle of your hand force. When running out of cord, hide the lasted part on the back side and under the lines. Pull one more time. And cut. Let's thread the second cotton cord. From the line where the cord has been ended, step back 1 line to continue. Leave enough length on the back side to prevent the cord from slipping out. Embroider over the lines. Make sure to keep it as flat as possible. Keep going until the square pattern is formed. Each square pattern requires 8 times 8 holes. Move to the second square pattern. Start from the center of the canvas, similar to the first square pattern. To embroider the third square after finish the second one, thread the needle under the lines from the back side. Finish the very end lines. Hide the cord under. And cut. And here is how the coaster after finished. As mentioned before, if the hand force was too hard, the coaster will be very curly. The yellow one is an example. Our coasters can be used for teacups, fruit bowls, candles. They absorb water quickly and they are colorful, available for everyone.